Hello viewers, today we are talk about Leo Gastel, a vibrant Dutch painter. Please like and subscribe this channel and share my video. Leo Gastel was a talented Dutch painter whose colorful and expressive artwork left a lasting mark on the art world. Born on 10 December 1892, Gastel grew up in a city known for its rich cultural scenes from a young age. He showed a keen interest in art which would shape his life and career. Lou Gaster was the son of merchant and his family provided him with a stable and supportive environment as a child. He enjoyed drawing and painting, often spending hours creating vibrant images. Recognizing his passion, his parents encouraged him to pursue art seriously. After finishing high school, Gastel decided the, to study art formally. He enrolled at the Van Bleetend Constant State Academy Fine Arts in Amsterdam, one of the most prestigious art schools in the Netherlands. There he learned various techniques and style, developing his skill under the guidance of experienced teachers. Gastel's early work was influenced by Impressionism, a popular art movement that focused on capturing light and everyday scenes. However, as he grew as an artist, he began to explore more expressive and bold styles. Gastel was particularly drawn to Expressionism, which emphasizes the artist's emotional experience rather than realistic representation. In the 1910s and 1920s, Gastel became an important figure in the Amsterdam School, a movement known for its unique architecture and artistic design. Although primarily associated with architecture, the Amsterdam School also included painters and sculptors whose shared is innovative spirit. Gastel's work stood out for its dynamic use of color and forms, often conveying intense emotion and dramatic scene. Leo Gaster art is characterized by vibrant colors, strong contrast, and graphic brushwork. He often depicted scenes from daily life as well as more abstract and symbolic subjects. His paintings are full of movement and life, reflecting his passion and creativity. Gaster was influenced by several art movements and artists. Apart from Impressionism and Expressionism, he admired the works of Vincent van Gogh and Henri Matisse. These influences can be seen in his use of bold colors and his ability to convey deep emotion through his artwork. One of Gastel's unique strengths was his ability to blend different styles seamlessly. He could create both realistic and abstract elements within a single painting, marking his work versatile and engaging. Throughout his career, Luc Gastel produced numerous notable paintings. Some of his most famous works included The Dance. This painting captured the joy and movement of dancers, showcasing Gaster's talent for portraying anger and emotion. The artist frequently traveled across Europe, visiting Paris, Munich, and other cultural hubs. These trips exposed him to influential artists such as Henri Matisse and Pablo Picasso, whose work deeply impacted his style. Gaston also formed a strong connection with Dutch art collectors and galleries, which helped him gain recognition. In 1929, a devastating fire destroyed Gaston's studio in Blaricum, along with many of his work. Despite this tragedy, he continued to paint, although his later works leaned more toward realism and landscapes. This shift reflected his retreat from the fast speed modernist experiments of his earliest year. Gastel spent the latter part of his life in Hilversum, where he continued creating art until his death on 26 December 1941.